The P0141 code refers to a malfunction in the Bank 1, Sensor 2 oxygen sensor heater circuit. What does this mean? This is the oxygen sensor located after the catalytic converter. Its internal heater helps the sensor quickly reach its ideal operating temperature to monitor catalytic converter efficiency. P0141 indicates that this heater is not working. The most common symptom is an illuminated check engine light. Generally, there are no other noticeable performance symptoms, as this sensor does not directly affect the air-fuel mixture, but it is vital for emissions control. If the P0141 appears, the first thing to do is check the code with an OBD2 scanner. The most common cause is a faulty oxygen sensor, specifically the internal heater, located downstream of the catalytic converter. Visually inspect the sensor and its wiring for damage, corrosion, or loose connections. The sensor's wiring is crucial. A broken wire or a short in the heater circuit can be the culprit. Also, check the fuses associated with the oxygen sensors. In most cases, a direct replacement of the Bank 1 Sensor 2 oxygen sensor is the solution. Although it may not affect immediate performance, a faulty downstream oxygen sensor means your vehicle isn't properly monitoring the catalytic converter's efficiency. This will prevent you from passing the emissions inspection, and if there's an underlying catalytic converter problem, you won't be alerted in time.